Fans, at this time, we ask that you please rise, remove your hats, and turn your attention to the flag of the United States of America as we honor our country and pay tribute to our veterans, active duty, and retired members of our armed services. The Arizona Diamondbacks and the Milwaukee Brewers invite you to join in the singing of the Star-Spangled Banner, performed by Sounds of the SouthWest Singers under the direction of Matt Deller. And joining them from London, England, is Next Stage Choir.
The Sounds of the SouthWest Singers and the Next Stage Choir.